Mother's Day, one of the biggest flower holidays of the year. In this arrangement, foam-free, fast, and yet fabulous. Let me show you how it's done. The materials, the star of the show, lilacs of course. But some people would beg to differ that the orchid brings in the charm and value. It's exotic, but lilacs, definitely one of my favorites. Then tucking in a few carnations for intensity of color, some Jasmine Vine, and Dusty Miller. The mechanics, nothing but a classic pitcher. Nothing inside except fresh water filled with flower food. To begin, creating a classic round using the radial format, central binding point, everything you learned in basic floral design, nothing new, just exaggerating it with amazing flowers. So starting with a bit of Dusty Miller, 3 pieces will come around, giving me a nice triangle, then coming back with the lilac. Now I can cut it with my knife, but to be perfectly honest, sometimes it's better to just break and tear it, then cut it so that you get a really jagged edge. That will make it last so much longer. The lilacs come in different colors. So I've got definitely this darker purple and then the light lavender, alternating them around, filling in, and repeating until you run out of blooms. I could stop here, and it's stunning. But sometimes you want something extra special for Mom, and phalaenopsis orchids, they are extra special and stunning. Just giving it a cut, bringing one towards the front, and letting it drape over, breaking the line, giving a little movement, and then bringing a second one more towards the back and nestling it in with the lilacs. Then to finish, tucking the carnations, using them relatively low and going ahead and grouping them just to add some intensity of color to draw the eye inside the arrangement. Last touch, just a little bit of Jasmine Vine to give more draping, carry the eye outward, add a tiny bit of texture, and more springtime fun. Mom is truly going to love this. The recipe, I'll start. The picture is just from my prop shelf. It's one of my favorites. I have no idea where it came from. The flowers, I started with 5 stems of Dusty Miller, 3 in a triangle, 2 in the center. Then 5 each of the lavender and the violet lilacs. Carnations, I used a total of 10. The phalaenopsis, 2 stems, and then 6 stems cut apart of the Jasmine Vine. Getting ready for Mother's Day means really getting all your flowers together and getting inspired for one of the biggest flower holidays of the year. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Pick some lilacs, create a recipe, and then design a fabulous arrangement for Mom. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media, #FloralDesignInstitute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.